AIRTM is a digital dollar account like they say on their website, but I think they're selling themselves short because they do way more than just being a digital dollar account. But the main selling point for me when it comes to AIRTM is their peer-to-peer system. Apart from being another addition to your arsenal if you want to get into something like arbitrage, receiving payment from international clients and stuff like that, today we're just going to create the account. I just wanted to get you excited and make you see reasons why you might need an account like this. As I always say, variety is the spice of life. So on the website, you want to click on join as always. So once we click on join, you have the option to create an individual or a business account. The business account may be a little bit more tedious to create. So if we click on the business, you'd see here they say as a business you'll be required to submit a copy of your articles of incorporation, tax ID, passport, beneficial, all of that business jargon. And if you want to do that and you have all of these documents, you can try that out. But I've never had a business account on AIRTM, so I'm just going to continue as individual. I'm going to select my country, and as you guys know, I am proudly Nigerian, so I am going to go on down and input my email and password. You can see here we have to input our first name, last name, second last name if you have that. So now that I've entered in that information, I'm going to click to verify, and I'm going to get a puzzle. I'm going to try to solve it correctly like so. That's it. So now I can click on create my account. So now I've gone through the verification process, and as you can see, it clearly says here that my wallet is verified. I could not do a screen recording of my phone while I was submitting my documents, but you just need to make sure that you allow your camera, you allow your web browser or the app to have access to the camera when you are submitting your documents or taking pictures of your document. And it's very straightforward and simple. But if you have any issues still, you can leave a comment in the comment section and we can help you through the process. So but now my account is verified with my documents submitted. If I go back home, you can see here that I can now add funds, which will be the final step of everything. So let's try to do that before we wrap up this video. So now if I click on add funds, you can see that I can use very many different channels to add funds, and you can see the Nigerian bank is also available here. So what I'm going to do is, for the sake of Nigerians, I'm going to use the Nigerian bank option here. So you can see the minimum amount you can enter is 1,635 naira, which will give you $2.50. So I'm going to do 2,000 naira, and that will give us about $3. So this is just to have my account verified and have some activities. I think my account is already verified, but I just want to have some money in here so that I can be sure that everything is working. So once I do this, I will click on continue, and this will also show you the peer-to-peer system on AIRTM. This money is not going to be sent to me by AIRTM. It's going to be sent to me by a pair or another AIRTM user. So I'm going to type in my name here, and then I'm going to select a bank. So now I've put in my name, my bank name, and my account number, and I'm going to click on configure and move on to the next step, and I will submit. So I'm going to enable notifications, so it's going to let me know when I get a pair. So I am going to send 2,000 naira to someone, and they're going to send 3 point something dollars to my account. So let's see how that works. So it took somewhere around 2, maybe 3 minutes, and now I have a pair. So now these are the instructions. Do not include the following payment method transfers: AIRTM, US dollar, that. So I understand, show payment information. So now I am going to pay 2,000 naira to this person's account, and then I'm going to get $3 in my account. So let's go on and do that. I'm going to go to my phone. So now I have made that transfer on my phone. So I'm going to enter in the bank I used to send it, and I'm going to say I have sent funds following the instructions above, and I am going to click on confirm sent. So transaction confirmed, and we are going to wait for it to be completed. And once it's completed, I'm going to get the money in dollars deposited into my account. So if you read here, it says wait for your pair to confirm the 2,001 naira received in Kuda Bank within 1 hour 58 minutes, so like around 2 hours. So if this transaction will automatically enter mediation. If he does not, he only has the option to complete the transaction. He cannot cancel. He cannot say he did not receive or something. So if he does not receive, he's not going to click anything and he's going to enter mediation. So the AIRTM guys will mediate and try to find out what the problem is. So if he also is trying not to maybe send me my money, it's going to only enter into mediation, and then I can report and say, hey, I've sent the money, I have all of the proof and all of that, and they will get to the root of it, and the person who is trying to get ripped off will be found out and stuff. So 9 times out of 10 there will be no issues using this method. Another thing is you can actually send the person a message. You can chat them up and let them know that you have done the transaction. So I just got an alert saying transaction completed. So let's see what that looks like. So as you can see here, he has received and accepted. So I'm just going to maybe leave him a 5-star. Yeah, so that's it. So if I go back home, you will see here now that I have $3 and the status says completed. So there guys, that's how you have your AIRTM account funded and fully verified. This is also how you can turn your naira into dollars. You know, if you are a salary earner and you want to invest in the US stock market, or you just want to start saving in a foreign currency, this is how you can get your naira to become dollars or euros or pounds without having to go to the black market to trade with the Aboki guys directly. So that is all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this platform and even ways that you can start to use this platform to make some money for yourself. Watch out for that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.